How to recover suspended Instagram account for free. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So if you don't want to purchase the badges or the verified badges on Instagram, there are still ways to get your account back. The easiest way could be that you just simply appeal and provide documents, the government documents, and provide the selfie verification. After that you would get your account back. But there are some cases when you don't get your account back even after verification. Like in my case, my account got suspended, and after verification I got this email where it said that my account got permanently disabled. Now the free way to get your account back is by opening up the Facebook page of your account, and over here click on Meta Business Suite. Now over here click on help, then click on help again, and window will appear on the right hand side. Here you can click on very dissatisfied and provide the reason for the suspension or anything that you want to add, and click on submit. This way a chat will appear where you can talk to the support team and get your account back. And in order to get the chat, you can also search for disabled article, then use the same methodology, which is highly dissatisfied with the service. This way the support will contact you like this chat over here, and you would have to wait for a while, and after that a real human will join you and help you out. And after providing them some details, you would be able to get the help, and they might also ask you for your phone number so they can call you up in order to provide the help in a better way. And after waiting for a few days, you will get your account back. And you can check this email over here. I got my account back, and this is how you can get your account back too. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.